also real-time clock model DS1302, and this is how it looks like. It is relatively big, also battery is big. Actually, you could remove battery and use just chip. And yeah, it is simple connected. It's really simple to connect it, but it's relatively heavy and big. And it is really cheap. It costs about €1 or less than €1. And yeah, the good thing with it is it's simple and it works good. And with it you can, of course, you can calculate seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. Also, you can use it for everything. Simple and cheap. But yes, of course, for if you have big space, then you can place it in your applications. But otherwise, I'm going to try find some small models. And yeah, schema how to use it, you can find it at the beginning of this video. I hope you find it. And the code that works with Arduino, you can find it below this video.